All right there, 944 V8 fans. It's time to get back to power steering wrestling with this thing. So last week, if you watched that video, you will have known that got the power steering all running and everything, but there was definitely some serious noises coming out of it. And I suspected maybe I didn't use the right type of juice in the system. So how I determined that was basically I went to the internet, looked up some information about 944 power steering, and all that information says to use Dextron 3. And that did not sit well with the pump, I guess. I gave a shout out to the folks at Renegade Hybrids that make the V8 conversion kit and stuff. And they said to use this stuff called CHF 202. That's what they put in the cars that they convert. So this is, this stuff's made by a company called Pentosin CHF 202. Power steering juice. And the other thing we're doing is first thing this morning I got this what I believe to be the power steering fluid reservoir bracket from the 6-liter engine. Got it out, gave it the old carb cleaner, brake clean wire brush treatment, and sprayed some semi-gloss black on it, and we're going to get that on there. All right, so right now we got the bracket bolted on here, but as you can see, our lines are a little bit short, so I guess we're going to be remaking them, but it looks like our little V-shaped clippy thing will match up with this kind of V-shaped holdery thing. So all right, it is quite a while later, and we ran into the original problem of the drain back hose into the reservoir is a good bit bigger on the Chevy, and I think we just got lucky with the 5/16 hose the first time we did it. But of course, the reservoir is now further over to the side, so this hose had to be longer. So I tried to do the same thing and it just would not go onto this plastic fitting. So tried heating it, tried lubing it, and basically all we're really going to do is bust this plastic thing off. So we had to go back to the correct size for this, which is going to be very loose on this hard return line. So what we're going to attempt to do is put a flare in it and see if that will seal it up. Okay, it's another long while later, and I think we finally have it on there. This is not great, so I double clamped it. Fought with these cheapy hose clamps for a long while, but they're all on there. This is a good hose clamp. These are crappy hose clamps. But yeah, hopefully we don't get a leak there. Well, I think it's time to juice this thing up and see how it works. how it handles the circle test. Little noise, not much. And just a little bit of noise when you get close to lock. So I'm thinking it probably works pretty good. Still turns. The feel is a little different on, when you get into turn. I guess you got to kind of get the hang of it. It's a little too easy to put it in too much and make the tail start to come around. But hey, it's real easy to steer. Do this now with ease. Better stay off the rumble strip center. That scared the hell out of me. I thought something was wrong. Got to be pretty careful because there's still stones and salt and crap all over the road, so the road doesn't have much grip. But yeah, feels real good. Tight one here. Yeah, that one always feels good. Sounds awesome too. Alright, calm down. Time to act civilized here. Woo. It's hard to act civilized when you got a monster like this, man. Woo. Boy. Wow. Well, if we didn't kill anything on that drive, I think we're in good shape.